know. The material you have with you, which you bought to get knowledge, can help you to get money. Come at Zelmart.com today, make your store there, and start selling the material you have got. Making an account on Zelmart is super easy. Let me show you how it works. First, go to Zelmart.com. And at bottom of website you will find links for sellers. Just click on Become a Seller and you will be directed to Seller Detailed page. There a simplest form will be available for registration, and hit the registration button. You will receive an email in your inbox. You will have to verify your account to process further. Verify your email and log into your account. You will be able to see all details in dashboard. First, update your profile by providing all information required. The most important is payment details. Make sure you are adding right details because we will be transferring your sale amount following the provided information. Once you're done with updating your profile, you can go back to dashboard and start addition products. Adding product is also super easy. Click on Add New Product button and fill the simple form with details of product, then hit the Create Product button. After submitting a product to be sold, our responsibility starts to bring thousands of customers to your Zelmini site to let you sell your products. For further details, send us inquiry on info@zelmart.com.